All right, everybody, welcome back. So we've got this project. It's a little Baja Doodle Bug 97cc or 80cc, something like that. 3 horsepower engine. Uh, Picked it up, we got it running. Put a new air filter on it, put a new pull cord on it, put a new clutch on it, fixed the brake cable, but we're still having a slight issue with our pegs and with our kill switch. The kill switch is not working, or it may not be the switch, because even when we take the cable and touch it to the engine chassis, it doesn't ground out and it doesn't cut off. And then somebody obviously has broken these and tried to do something with them, but they look like complete garbage and they don't support the weight of your feet, so they're pretty useless. So we're going to try to get that fixed, and it looks like they have that same jinky fix that they tried on both sides, and they don't work. If anything, they are the opposite of what they should be. So we're going to fix that and hopefully get it back running. Well, I mean, it runs right now, it'll start right up, but we want to make it a little safer and a little more fun to ride. And then we'll put this Doodle Bug on Marketplace. I want somebody to have some fun with it this summer. It's a nice day today, so I bet I could sell it today if it was running. But throw some spray paint on it, get it cleaned up, and it'll make somebody happy. Stick around and we're going to get it all fixed up. All right, as you guys just saw, or as everybody just saw on the slow-mo, hopefully, we used our splitting wedge and a hammer, widened out those pegs just a little bit because they had been bent. And then we took our 1/2-inch tubing and sized it, cut it, sanded it. I ended up taking one piece and just cutting it in half, make 2 3-inch pieces with the hole in the end because I didn't like the way it stuck out once I mocked it up. So got this put together, got that on there. This is on there really good, so I'm not sure if it's going to slide back off. So I'm going to attempt to line it back up with it on there already and put this through there. See if it works. All right, I think that's good. Let's see. Holes look like they line up. Let's see if it fits through there. No, it doesn't look like it's gonna come off. Okay. All right, whack it from the other side and just get it to pop off. There we are with our holes lined up. There we go. We're really just running that piece in there as a spacer so that we don't crush the metal and it's squish.
Keep on in. I believe we got some rock solid pegs now. Whew. All right, let's repeat the process on the other side. I just realized I only have one bolt long enough. I have to get a longer bolt. All right, so I looked around in the parts bucket and found a screw that should work. Had to modify it just a little bit, but that's all good. So get to sliding this on there. Use a piece of wood so I don't beat up my hand. A little bit further. A little bit further. All right, that looks about right. Let's feed this through. All right. Throw on our washer. All right. Oh yeah. We got pegs, boys and girls. Oh yeah. Nice pegs. Nice pegs. I like those. Nice and wide for your foot. Oh yeah. I like them. I think I like this one a little bit more, where I slid it back further. I may change this one up and slide it in a little bit more too. Makes it even more stable. It doesn't really move, it just wiggles a little bit. Yeah, that's awesome. So definitely slide it up on that a little bit more. Those are awesome, big fatties. Nice, I like it. We'll spray paint those black or wrap them in electrical tape, one of the two. Probably look cool if I hit them with some black spray paint. All right, so we'll pick back up when we fix the coil. But for right now, we got pegs and they look great. I'm gonna probably come back and paint this black. I guess they're handlebars. I don't know what you call them. There's no suspension or anything, and they're not, I guess they're forks. I don't know. But I'm gonna paint these black. So when I do, I'll paint these black. All right, so let's do first ride with the new pegs. See how they do. Turn our gas on.